What's up, epic people? Now we're back finally after about, I think, 3 months. But it's the 4th of July weekend. But some of the craziest fireworks ever. I've saw these online. And I figured, let's take a look at them and then go buy some of our own. Let's go check out some stuff. Somebody's mom definitely said no. Is this like a Mr. Beast firework? They're all normal. And then there's that one. Alright, so as you can see, I should probably move this closer to me. We're finally back to uploading normal videos. Of course, the naughty dog. You have to have the poop emoji. Like, I think Dr. Poop. Oh, really good. I love the name. It's just called Poop. Of course, fidget spinner fireworks. Let's go, gamers. Fidget spinners. Yay. Whoa. And I almost forgot the most important one. The lightsaber. Star Wars. They're taking over. Cocoa melon. Oh my gosh. Yes, it plays the vegetable song. I think I figured it out. Okay, fidget spinner. Let's suss out the fidget spinner. I'm kind of scared right now. What's it gonna do? All right. Oh shoot! I'm scared. What's gonna happen? Well, that was one of the dumbest things I've ever seen. Star Wars!
Oh, nice!
I didn't burn my hand this time!
You was pretty young.
Yeah, Vietnam! Alright.
Dr. Poop lighting some poop.
Yes. Yes.
Awesome. He's pooping.
There's probably going to be a crackling, well, I would assume.
Yeah.
Oh?
Oh, no.
Smoke bomb. Whoa. T-Rex! I'm going to stand next to you.
He ain't
Should I not be here? I'm fine. Oh. That was literally the stupidest thing I've ever seen.